Now let us look at types of polynomials based on the number of terms. Then we'll see how do we add two or more than two polynomials. Polynomials can be of various types based on the number of terms. We can classify them based on the number of terms that they contain. First, we have what do we call a monomial. So monomial is a polynomial with only one term. For example, 4p is a polynomial and it has only one term, so it is called a monomial. So in this, the prefix mono means one. So monomial has a single term. Similarly, 7q squared r is a monomial because there is only one term. Similarly, 9xyz is a monomial. Next we have a binomial. A binomial has two terms. So it's a polynomial with two terms. For example, 5m minus n is a binomial. 3x squared y squared minus 8 is a binomial because we have two terms. pq minus 4q is a binomial because again we have two terms. In this, the prefix bi means two. So in each binomial there will be two distinct terms separated by either a plus or a minus sign. Next we have a trinomial. Now as you can guess, this will have three terms. For example, say 6a minus 3b plus 2c is a trinomial. Similarly, 4xy squared minus xy plus 7, this is again a trinomial. So in this, the prefix tri means three because it has three terms. So these are the three things that you need to remember. Monomial has a single term, binomial has two terms, and a trinomial has three terms in them. Now let us look at addition of polynomials. So to add two or more polynomials, we follow three steps. First, we arrange the terms of the polynomials in a systematic manner. Second, we group the like terms, that is the terms with same variables and powers. So as we have seen earlier, those are the like terms and we group them together. Finally, the last step, we just add up the numerical coefficients of these like terms. For example, say we need to add 3p minus 2q plus r, 4q minus p plus 5r, and say 2p minus q minus 3r. So the first step would be, we'll write all these polynomials one below the other so that their like terms are aligned. For example, 3p minus 2q plus r. Now this term we'll write in such a way that the like term, so underneath p we'll write the p term. So this is minus p plus 4q plus 5r. So we'll write them one below the other so that the like terms are aligned. Similarly, this will be 2p minus q minus 3r. Now all these three are p terms. So if we add up all the p terms, so this is like 3p minus p plus 2p. So this is as good as adding 3 minus 1 plus 2 p plus minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 q, and for r we have 1 plus 5 minus 3r. So this is nothing but 4p plus q plus 3r. So this is a final result. So thus this the sum of the polynomials would be 4p plus q plus 3r. Now let us take up this problem. We need to add these three given polynomials. So as we have seen earlier, the three steps are: first step is to arrange the terms systematically before adding. So we'll write the polynomials one below the other. So now the like term is minus 4x squared. So underneath x squared, we write down the x squared term. So minus 4x squared plus 2y plus 6z. Similarly, this term would be 3x squared plus y minus 5z. Now these terms are grouped together, which is a second step, and then we add them up. So the coefficient of x square would be 5 plus minus 4 plus 3, which would be 4x squared. What about the term for y? So 2 plus 1, 3y minus 3y. So for y it is minus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 0. So there will be no term of y because it is just nothing but 0y. And for z we have 2 plus 6 minus 5, that is plus 3z. So this is a final answer. So the sum of these three polynomials would be 4x squared plus 3z.